CityVille Monopoly, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to own 4 skyscrapers. Each player starts the game with 3 bills of each color. Title deeds are called zoning permits. Utilities do not charge rent. Instead, they offer discounts for purchasing buildings. There are 3 types of small buildings: red houses, blue businesses, and mustard community buildings. They all cost the same, charge the same rent, and can be built interchangeably. The only difference is that some visitor center cards affect different types of buildings. Buildings are built stacked on top of each other. A gray skyscraper can only be built on top of 3 small buildings. You are allowed to construct only 1 building on a property that you own when you don't own the entire colored set. Once you own the colored set, you may then build more than one, and you do not need to build evenly. Once a building is built, it is permanently built and stays where it is even if the property is traded. You may only initiate trades at the start of your own turn before you roll. Chance and Community Chest have been replaced with Mystery Gift and Visitor Center decks. Whenever you land on Mystery Gift, give the top card to any other player of your choice, then draw 1 Mystery Gift card for yourself. Mystery Gifts are decorations you can add to any property you own. Pick one side and rotate it, then slide it underneath its zoning permit card. That decoration permanently increases the rent of that property by the amount listed. Once placed, it may not be moved and will be transferred to the new owner if traded. If you draw a mystery gift card and do not have a property yet, then wait until you do and place it under it then. Properties can have multiple decorations. Anytime you pay the bank, except when purchasing property, you are allowed to purchase any single property the bank still owns for the listed price on the board if you want, in addition to the fee you paid to the bank. You are allowed to sell up to 2 properties back to the bank on each of your turns if you want. If you do, collect the list price for those properties minus $50. All buildings and decorations remain with those properties, and the next player to purchase the property will get the property with those benefits for the property price listed on the board. If you owe money and have already sold your 2 properties for the turn and can't raise the money, then you are bankrupt and out of the game. The first player to own 4 skyscrapers wins.